Welcome to my channel, guys. The name still remains Sidako, and this is Sidakotechlab. Today I'm going to show you how you can stop people from adding you to WhatsApp groups. You hear? I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure on how you can stop people from adding you to WhatsApp group. Stick and stay. I'll be back for more. Welcome back, guys. Note that before we start this tutorial is for educational purposes. Now, most admin or administrators of WhatsApp platform tries to add people to their groups unwillingly. So people are not willing to join groups, but you find yourself in a particular group for which you didn't add yourself to that group. So I'm going to teach you a way in order to prevent people from adding you to the various groups. Quickly, let's proceed. All that you need to do is that just open your WhatsApp from your phone, and then when you open your WhatsApp, the next thing that you do is go to settings. So you click on the three dots here, and then you go to settings, and then you go to account, and then you go to privacy. Now, when you get to privacy, you get to where we have groups, and then we have three items there. We have everyone, we have my contact, and we have my contact except. So the first one says everyone. Everyone means that everyone particular person can add you to any group at all on WhatsApp. My contact means that it is only those who have your contact that can add you to can add you to a group page. And then my contact accept, so it will take you to your contact list, and the person or the contact that you select, you can be selective. Let's say I have Kofi and Amma. I don't want Kofi and Amma. I don't want Kofi to add me to the group, so I will just switch Kofi off from the from that section. So you can select my contacts, which will help you, or those who can add you to a group will be only your contact. So in this case, if anyone wants to send you a group or add you to a group, what the person must do is that the person must send you a notification or a link into your DM, and there, if you want to join the group willingly, you can do that. If you don't follow this procedure to switch this off from everyone, it means that you'll be added to a group by people or administrators of certain groups without you accepting to be there. So guys, that is all for today. This is how you'll be able to stop people from adding you to WhatsApp groups. If you are watching this video, make sure you like, comment, and share the video. Your comment is 100% welcome. That is the only way to know that you love our videos. Finally, make sure you also subscribe to be part of the Sidakotechlab family. And guys, thank you for watching this one. See you in the next episode.